Hey folks, you want to talk about laundry machines? So if you're in the market for a laundry machine, you might be realizing things don't last as long as they used to. The average lifespan on a laundry machine now is somewhere in the 5 to 10 year range, which for someone who had a laundry machine for 20 years might be shocking. So a lot of times people ask me, what laundry machines last longest? So that's what we're going to talk about today. Let's go take a look. First thing we're going to talk about here is going to be Maytag's commercial line. And for most of the video here, we're going to focus on commercial grade laundry machines because, well, they don't have a lot of the bells and whistles that some of the fancier machines have. They're more metal than plastic, and so they tend to last longer. First option here is Maytag top loaders. And if you want to look inside of here, you'll see it does have an agitator if that's something that you're going for. What's really nice about this one is it's just going to last a really long time. This is commercial grade, so it's more metal than plastic. The bearings and everything are just graded to run more loads. And comes with a matching dryer. And again, no fancy features, nothing special, but you're going to get more lifespan out of these machines, which is really cool. And at a pretty compelling price point where right now, disclaimer, prices and availability are subject to change because of supply chain constraints. Next, my personal favorite, Speed Queen. Now, if you've ever been to a laundromat, you've seen the name Speed Queen before. These are the queens of commercial laundry, and they last forever. These machines, they're built to last 25 years. They come with a standard 5-year warranty. And again, they're more metal than plastic. So actually stop in one of our showrooms and try one of these things out because they just feel solid. You'll notice the knobs are actually very satisfying, very heavy clicks. And so the one I recommend of the Speed Queen line is going to be their 5 series. There is a 3 series, which is a step down and a little bit cheaper, and there's a step up, which is the 7 series. But I like the 5 series because it does give you more cycle options than the 3 series, but without getting into like the 7 series here, has a control board and some digital readouts. So with these, if you're just interested in durability, there's less to go wrong. There's all mechanical parts, and these things seriously just last forever. Nice thing with us too, as an independent retailer, is we carry a lot of these commercial machines that a lot of the big box stores don't offer. So really use our location finder, find the store nearest you, and you've got to check out some of these Speed Queens if you are looking for something super durable. Now they are a little bit more, but if you factor out the 25-year lifespan, you actually save money in the long run if you can handle the upfront costs. So I can't recommend them enough. And let's go take a look at one more option. Lastly is my honorable mention. These are the Hotpoints. These are just very basic machines. So they don't actually last any longer than most of the other machines out here, but at the price point that they get offered at, which is about $449 right now, you can honestly almost afford to replace them in the next year and still save money over one of the more expensive models with more features. So if you're looking for something very basic and built to replace, the other ones were built to last, this one's built to replace. So just an option for you as well if the upfront cost of the other machines is too much. This one is going to give you a decent wash and you're still going to be able to replace it without breaking the bank. So those are our best options for durability or built to replace models. So if you have any questions on things that we covered in the video here, make sure to leave a comment, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell so when we put out new content, you're aware of it. And make sure to stop in to your nearest appliance factory in Mattress Kingdom. We're the nation's largest discount appliance and mattress retailer, and we do carry options like the Speed Queens here that most of the big box stores don't. Until next time, I'm Ben. Keep it clean.